In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment on Vagaro. Navigating appointments in today's busy world can be quite a challenge, especially when your plans change unexpectedly. Luckily, Vagaro makes it relatively straightforward to manage your schedule, ensuring you can easily adapt to whatever comes your way. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to access Vagaro. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the Vagaro URL. This will take you to their homepage, a gateway to managing your appointments efficiently. Once there, look towards the top right of the page. You'll notice a login button. Clicking on this is your first step towards rescheduling your appointment. It's pretty standard procedure, but an essential step nonetheless. After clicking login, you'll see an option to log in with Google. This is a convenient feature for those who prefer to streamline their login process using their Google account. Click on this to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use for logging in. This step is particularly useful as it saves time and keeps your login credentials secure. Once logged in, you'll find an option labelled Go to My Business. This is especially geared towards business owners or staff members who need to manage appointments. Clicking here will take you to your business dashboard, where you have a holistic view of your appointments, schedules, and more. Next, you'll want to head to your calendar to see your upcoming appointments. There should be a direct link to go to your calendar. This is where things get interesting. Your calendar is the control room for your appointments, giving you a clear overview of what's coming up. Now, find the appointment you need to reschedule. Your appointments are neatly listed, making it easy to locate the one you're focusing on. Once you've found it, clicking on your appointment will open up the details and options available for that particular booking. Look for the rebook option. It might sound a bit misleading, but rebook in this context means you're looking to reschedule your appointment to a more suitable time. Upon clicking rebook, your next step is to hit the search button. This is essentially your gateway to finding the new perfect time slot. Vagaro has designed this feature to be user-friendly, ensuring that you can efficiently sift through available slots. After you've clicked on search, you'll have the opportunity to pick a new date. This could be any date that suits your schedule better. The calendar functionality here is quite intuitive, allowing for an easy selection process. Following the date, you'll need to pick a new time. Time slots are visibly laid out, making it easy to see what's available and what aligns best with your schedule. Finally, once you've selected your new date and time, click on Book to confirm your rescheduled appointment. This will lock in the new timing for your appointment, ensuring that you and the service provider are both updated. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of rescheduling your appointment on Vagaro. This process, designed with user experience in mind, ensures that managing your appointments can be done with ease and efficiency. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always double check the new appointment details before finalizing to ensure there's no mix-up in dates or times. Also, it's a good practice to keep an eye on your email for any confirmation or update from Vagaro regarding your appointment. Rescheduling appointments doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Vagaro, the process is simplified, allowing you to manage your schedule in a way that adapts to your life's changes seamlessly. Whether you're juggling personal appointments or managing a business, the platform offers the tools needed to ensure that rescheduling is just a few clicks away. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. We hope this has clarified the process for you and that you feel more confident in managing your appointments through Vagaro. For more helpful guides like this, stay tuned.